tell me, what can I do now? Ain't it always funny how soon as I let my guard down, here comes that familiar sound. When you start to get tongue-tied, and in my heart I feel you.
Hey friends, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we are going to just get right into the video, but first be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I'm going to be starting off with putting in the flooring. It's not going to be a tutorial. I'm just going to start putting in the flooring and you guys can just watch me.
What's left for me when it all ends? You need some real ones on your side. The type to pull up, down to right. Keep it 100. Tell you if you're wrong or right. Yeah, you need some real ones on your side. I can see through all the fake, but I give my all to those who take. It's disaster in the making, how easily we break. We're all diamonds in the rough, but no one's gonna call your bluff. You need someone you can trust to tell you when you messed up. Yeah. 'Cause our friends keep your secrets, and your family enables weakness. And I don't think you could live differently. What's left for me when it all ends? You needed some real ones on your side. The type to pull up, down to right. Yeah, keep it 100. Tell you if you're wrong or right. Yeah, you need some real ones on your side, so I know that they're on our side.
Okay friends, so this is where I'm going to put the toilet paper holder. But when I spackled the wall, I didn't put enough on, so I have to go back and put more. But you guys, you're not going to see this in this video. I'm going to have to come back and give you an update. Y'all, so right here, I'm putting the shelf together that I got from Ikea. It was really hard for me to get this together, y'all. I was over here struggling. It took me about 25 minutes to put this together. It looked really simple. It really was simple. But for some reason, I just couldn't get this together. I guess because I just wasn't really feeling good, but I was just pushing through.
See you, y'all. I'm leaving. Bye.
Y'all, I finally got it together. Like I said, it was a struggle. I really hate this part of DIYs. I don't like putting things together, and I don't like all the labor. But you know, I love doing DIYs, and the best part about it all is it makes me feel good to know that I put in all this hard work and I did it myself. So yeah, y'all, I finally got it together, even though it was a struggle. Alright, y'all, so I think I got it now.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. 'Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all all good all day, but the nighttime we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on today, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. You'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion.
Alright, y'all, so are y'all ready to see what this powder room looks like? But before I do that, let me show you what the bathroom looked like before I made any changes. As y'all can see, this bathroom was a hot mess. I've been living here for 8 years and I never done anything to this bathroom. I'm kind of embarrassed to say, but I really like how it came out and I hope y'all do too. Are y'all ready to see what it looks like?
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls. Bury my best friend, I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God.